These objects are also green. Let's color them. Green cucumber. Green fir tree. Green frog. Tap on the green object to color it. Keep up the great work. Green fir tree. Tap on the green object to color it. That's it. Green cucumber. This color is red. These objects are also red. Let's color them. Red tomato. Red heart. Red strawberry. Tap on the red object to color it. Ready. Red tomato. Tap on the red object to color it. Keep going. Red tomato.